What's the meaning of adroitly? Adroitly. 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 Adroitly means to do something with skill and cleverness, usually in a difficult or delicate situation. When someone performs a task adroitly, they do it with expertise and without error, making it appear effortless. They are able to adapt to changing situations quickly and make decisions that lead to success. Adroit individuals are often praised for their ability to handle complex situations with ease and grace, and are seen as valuable assets in any team or organization. In short, an adroit person is able to navigate challenges with finesse and achieve their goals efficiently.